In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save a Figma design file. By the end, you'll know how to rely on Figma's autosave, confirm your changes are saved, rename the file, create a local .fig backup, and save a manual version for reference. First, open your Figma file. On screen, go to your project and click the file to open it in the editor. Wait for the canvas to load fully before you continue. Next, design normally. Figma auto-saves automatically. You don't need to press a save button. So anytime you make a change, Figma will save it in the background. Keep working as usual. Add frames, edit text, move layers, or adjust components. This is the standard way to save a Figma design file while you work. Now, check the top bar for All Changes Saved. Look to the top center of the window. When Figma is saving, you may briefly see Saving, and then it will switch to All Changes Saved. That message confirms the latest edits are stored. If you don't see it right away, make a small change like moving an object and watch the status update to confirm the save is complete. To rename the file, click the file name at the top of the editor. It becomes editable. Type the new name, then press Enter. The new title is applied instantly and your file stays saved. This does not change your design content, it simply updates how the file is labeled in your workspace, which makes it easier to find later. To save a backup, open the menu in the top left, go to File, and choose Save Local Copy, .fig. This creates a .fig file on your device that contains your current design. Use this when you want an extra offline copy or need to share the file as a standalone Figma document. After you select Save Local Copy, .fig, confirm the save in the dialog that appears, and let the download or save process finish. Your original Figma file remains unchanged. You've just made a separate backup file. To save a version manually, open the menu again, go to File, choose Show Version History, then click plus Save Version. Version History opens and shows a timeline of snapshots for your file. Clicking plus Save Version creates a labeled snapshot of the current state, so you can come back to it later if needed. You'll see the new version listed in the Version History panel, confirming it's been saved. This is helpful before big changes or handoff, so you always have a clear checkpoint to return to. At this point, you've opened your Figma file, all relied on autosave, confirmed all changes saved, renamed the file safely, created a local .fig backup, and saved a manual version in Version History. Your Figma design file is now properly saved, backed up, and versioned. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.